Okay, so you spent 2 days writing a good script. After that, you spent almost 12 hours editing the video. Then finally you uploaded it, thinking this one is definitely going viral. 1 hour passes, no views. 2 hours later, 1 view. 10 hours later, 4 views. And after 24 hours, the video is sitting at just 5 views. Now your mind starts filling with questions. Was my video quality bad? Did I accidentally violate some YouTube policy? Maybe my YouTube career was never meant to work. And when you can't find answers to these questions, that's when the stress starts. Depression, anxiety, overthinking. So if you've ever felt this way, bro, the problem is not you. Yes, you heard that right. There are just a few mistakes that once you fix them can completely change the performance of your videos. There's nothing wrong with your content, and you probably didn't violate any policy either. Just think about it. Whenever you open YouTube, what's the very first thing you notice? The thumbnail. That's it. Just thumbnails. A whole screen full of little images all competing for your attention at the same time. And in about half a second, without even thinking about it, you've already decided which ones you'll click and which ones you'll completely ignore. Now imagine a thumbnail that looks boring or confusing. Would you click on it? Probably not. But if the thumbnail looks clean, eye-catching, and interesting, almost everyone would at least open the video once. And that's exactly where a video's viral journey begins. The thumbnail is one of the biggest reasons a video either succeeds or dies. And this is the first mistake stopping your videos from going viral. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create professional, eye-catching thumbnails for your videos without learning any complicated skills. Yes, everything will be done automatically with AI. So make sure you watch the video till the end and don't skip any step. Now let's get started.
The tool which I'm going to use in this video is thumbnailcreator.com. And honestly, this might be one of the easiest ways to create professional YouTube thumbnails using AI. Instead of spending hours inside Photoshop or trying to design everything manually, this website can generate thumbnails for you in just seconds. You can either type a simple prompt describing the thumbnail you want, or even paste your YouTube video link and the AI will automatically create thumbnail ideas based on your video content. It's basically designed for creators who want faster workflows, better looking thumbnails, and more clickable videos without needing professional design skills. So in this video, I'm going to test its main AI features and see how good the results actually are. Before we jump to its main features, let's quickly check out some of the other tools it offers. You can use face swap and face consistency to keep the same character or facial style across all your thumbnails, which is super useful for building a recognizable YouTube brand. There's also style cloning, where you can upload an existing thumbnail and the AI recreates that same viral style look for your own videos. The AI editing feature lets you modify thumbnails using simple text instructions like change the background or add dramatic lighting, or make the face more expressive without manually editing anything. It also has variation generation for A/B testing, so you can create multiple thumbnail versions and test which one gets better CTR. And finally, there are background removal and branding tools that help clean up your thumbnails and maintain a consistent channel style.
First of all, click on Start Now and sign up to create your account. After logging in, you'll see an interface like this. On the left side, you'll notice several options. For now, I'm going to use the very first option called Start with a YouTube video. With this feature, we can simply copy and paste the link of any YouTube video, and the AI will automatically analyze it to generate thumbnails. So for this example, I'm going to copy the link of one of my random videos and paste it here. After that, simply click on Analyze Video. Now you'll see another interface appear on your screen. If you want to give any specific instructions for your thumbnail, you can type them inside the Creative Directions section. Otherwise, you can just leave it empty. At the end, it will ask how many thumbnails you want to generate, 4, 8, or 12. I'll keep it on 4. Now simply click on Generate and wait a few seconds. And boom, within moments, your professional thumbnails will be ready. And here is the result. Wow, honestly, I don't think I've ever seen a tool this fast that generates such amazing thumbnail results automatically. But that's not even the best part. If you want to make any changes to the thumbnails, simply click on the Edit button. Here you'll see 3 options: AI tools, style, and faces. Inside the style section, you can completely change the look of the image. There are tons of styles available, so you can pick whichever one you like. In the faces section, you can upload a face if you want to add someone into the thumbnail. For now, I'm going to open the AI tools section because I want to change some text. For example, I'll change 3M to 4M. After that, simply click on Apply Edit. And boom, the text changes instantly. Besides this, there are many more advanced options available. For example, inside Advanced Editing, you can even upscale your thumbnails up to 4K quality. Now let's check another powerful feature, which is Prompt to Thumbnail. Simply click on Create with AI Prompt, and then select Describe with Text. Now, inside the prompt box, paste your thumbnail prompt. I already have a prompt ready, so I'm just going to paste it here. After that, simply click on Generate. And within a few seconds, your 3 thumbnails will be ready. And just look at these results. Magnificent! You saw how with just a few clicks, we got perfectly designed professional thumbnails within seconds. And that's the magic of ThumbnailCreator.com, turning hours of hard work into a matter of seconds. Now let's quickly check out the pricing plans. As you can see, Thumbnail Creator is offering unlimited credits at a very affordable price. So go ahead and join using the link given below and start creating amazing thumbnails for your videos. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care, bye.